An order book perp matches buyers and sellers through a central limit order book, much like a centralized exchange, right? Rather than pricing trades against a particular liquidity pool, the way automated market makers do, the next generation of DEXs, including Lighter, edgeX, Paradex, GRVT, which is GRVT, and disk, achieve kind of a centralized exchange grade speed with a no per trade gas by sort of moving order matching and doing that off chain or onto a purpose-built roll-up while settling custody on chain, right? So the trade-off is always the same. How much decentralization is kind of surrendered in this process in order for things to just move pretty quickly, and the latency to custody trade-off grid, which we have created as a tool for you to kind of measure that for yourself, kind of matches a venue to what you weigh most in terms of the order of importance when you're doing your trade. Because like I said, these next generation of Perp DEXs does not feel like the old DeFi. It feels more like centralized exchange platforms. This is why most of the volume is now moving over to those DEXs now, because they can offer instant fills, real-time orders, no gas on every trade, tighter spreads, maker rebates, more listings, better active trader tools, as well as custody and settlement that you are in charge of, and it's tied to on-chain systems, which is really a breakthrough. So this first generation of style of DEX kind of replaces the old order book model. I mean, when we think about the Perp DEXs that was built around AMM style pools like GMX, proving that on-chain perps can actually work, but then the AMM Perp model, which is the automated market maker model, was never perfect for active trading because it came with borrowed fees, limited listings, Oracle-based pricing, and also no true order book microstructure. That is fine if you are, for some large trades, but less frequent trades. It's not ideal for our scalpers or market makers, high volume traders, or anyone who lives inside limit orders, rebates, and tighter spreads. So the new DEX is actually like Lighter, uses a ZK roll-up infrastructure to combine the centralized exchange like speed with a stronger verifiability. You can check out the link to Lighter in the description. edgeX also, the link is in the description, kind of focusing more on risk engine survivability and validity proof architecture. Then you've got DEXs like Paradex, which you can find in the description, and you can get some rebates and discounts on all of these DEXs, maybe farm for points as well, which might end up with you getting some token airdrops. Paradex itself brings perps and options into one cross-margined derivatives venue, and GRVT leans into a licensed hybrid model for traders who need more of a compliant trading structure. And then disk, it's a frontier newcomer with points farming potential, previously HMX, and Hyperliquid obviously remaining the benchmark with the most depth in liquidity, and GMX also still actively trader focused, but with maybe less depth in liquidity than Hyperliquid. So I think the big lesson to learn here is that the AMM Perp is not dead, right? Its job is actually just changed. It remains useful for large, less frequent pool-based execution where zero price impact matters, but active trading is moving to zero gas order book DEXs, right? So the real question, if you're a trader, is not which DEX is actually best, but a better question, I think, is what trade-off do I want based on either speed, custody, listings, depth, cost, compliance, options, stress, points farming, because every venue gives up something to fill kind of fast, and that's why we've built this tool, which is the latency to custody trade-off grid, so you can measure that for yourself for every particular platform that you want to use. And I think the future of DeFi Perps is not a perfect one, but it's definitely about helping you find the right venue. And I think this is going to take over from centralized exchanges. People want full custody of their funds. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Check out the full guide down below. Check out the links to all the platforms so you can get trading. Happy days. Peace.